Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to an evening ride. Yeah, date night with the old lady. Run an intro. Oh lordy. Go. Oh yeah. You recording? Whew. It is warm. It's 90.5 degrees. That's just no. Excuse me. It's 89.6 degrees at 3:51. We don't usually ride in the evenings. We usually getting home by this time, but this time's different. Oh well. We riding down to Lynnie Bros for some seafood. Probably should get some catfish. I call it catfish, but they call it grouper. If you watch my last video, you'll know what I'm talking about. After this video, go watch that video, and then you'll know what I'm talking about. Yeah, Lynnie Bros is down there in Wedowee. Well, no, it's past Wedowee. It's in Lineville. We've been there a couple of times. She's never been. So I figured to make a good evening ride. We gotta stop and get some go-go juice. Did I tell you it's 89.6 degrees at 3:53? I think I did. So Goofy Bastard, you can go check out Goofy Bastards. Probably on this side, I think. Yeah, I might be right. I think I am. Be over my head. No, if I'm looking this way, it'll be on this side. Yeah, I probably just got it wrong again. Anyway, he put out, when do you like to ride the best? I'm with him. I'm a morning person. It's good, cool. You get to see everything coming to life. The sun's rising. If I could be on the road before daylight, that's the perfect ride for me. Just got to watch the deers. You got to watch the deers this evening too, because it's a full moon and they'll be moving. Somebody's having a happy graduation, I guess. I don't know. It's that time of the year. That graduation shouldn't have been over with. But anyway, I'm just rambling and making this video even longer than it is. So we'll probably stop. I'm planning on stopping there at Wedowee, at the Wedowee Winery, Wedowee Lake Winery. We've been there before, but you know, why not stop again? Fire truck. Alright, well, GoPro stop recording. GoPro stop recording. GoPro please stop recording. Another thing I want to talk about is FAM's coming up pretty quick. Yes sir. When you watching this, we probably will beat y'all. That should, if everything goes right, I'll have this out to 8th. Then I need another video before then. To cover that week. I need 3 more videos, really. And then I can fill in with FAM videos. A week of Dragon Week. It's not going to be the same without Black Phoenix Entertainment. You go watch him, figure out what happened to Black Phoenix Entertainment. That sucks, but I've been there. Hey, you back. We're down here in the big city of Bowden, Georgia. B-O-W-D-O-N, ain't it? Bowden? Mm-hmm. It's Bowden, Georgia. Oh, man. Hope he ain't going in. Oh, probably is. Hey, you got a puppy dog in there. Old doggy, oh, you better keep it on the road. You see him run off the road? I seen him run off the road. Ooh, it's hot sitting here. I said it's hot, people. Come on, light change. At least he is going straight, and you ain't got to worry about people going straight and he's trying to turn, you know. Green light. Taco Doritos. That's a new place. I think it said Taco Doritos. WOWRT something, something, something. All right. Ain't gonna get lonely. Oh, they got a food truck, look like. No, that ain't a food truck. It's still hot. We had to sit in dang traffic for 10-15 minutes, seemed like, with the 91.4 degrees here in the big city of Wedowee. First State Bank. Southern States Bank. One way. Do not pass. Transcraft Eagle 2. Kenworth, Alabama hauler. Dude, are you scared to pull out there? I guess we should have went this way, went up, made a U-turn and come back down, because this guy can't get across the road. Jesus, come on. This look like what we're going to have to do. Come on if you're coming. Hurry. Come on. Come on. Today. Woo. God. She never does what you're supposed to. It is a food truck. Bricks and Sticks wood fire pizza. Hey, how y'all doing? We down here in the big town of Wedowee. Wedowee. See if we can get these people to stop and let us out. Maybe I should have went. Big truck coming. If people will not slow down for you. GoPro start recording. Anyway, she spent $100 on wine. Let's do that again. She spent $90 on wine, or I spent $101 on wine. But a drunk wife is a happy wife. Look at the view. Coming up on the river. We turning in on dirt. We made it. Good, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Thank you. Well, all the times we've been down here, food was still good, but the damn service sucked tonight. All she wanted to do was play up there on the, play with the bartender, sit up there and bullshit and play on the phone. Never did get a damn refill. That just made me mad. You know what that? A tip is how good the service is, right? Well, my service blankety blank 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 blank. Yeah. They can make you want to not even come back here. I mean, that one girl, I don't know if she was a manager or just a waitress, she just stood back there and talked to the couple behind us. She was just kissing our ass because when we sat down, the guy was eating, and I heard him say, hey, she's never got her food. So maybe they was trying to kiss up to them because they screwed up. Hey. Has to sound like a chainsaw. What am I saying here? We last week I do confirm that last week when I paid for grouper and got catfish, I'm even more for sure that I got catfish last week at back porch, because that's what I had tonight, grilled catfish, and it's the same dang fish. But it's not the same because I eat the other one and eat this one, so you know, it's the same style. It was the same. I guarantee you I got catfish for the grouper price. Oh well, complain. Hey, we on motorcycle, quit complaining. Yes sir, that sounds like a plan to me. We're taking a different way home because the traffic coming down was bad. Paving the road here, I'm still complaining. Well, I'm gonna quit complaining and enjoy my ride, because I believe I got a turn down here somewhere. Yep, maybe this is, I think, yeah, maybe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yep, across from the Dollar General. Mad Indian Store. That's the name of the place. Mad Indian. Mad Indian. Mad Indian. Hey ya. See yo. La. That means hurry up. N-U-L-A. Alright, enough complaining. I'm gonna enjoy my ride home and see. Let's see how many miles we gotta get home. Home. Go. Huh? I said 62 miles. That can't be right. I guess it is. Well, I don't know which way it's taking us when we get up to Halfley. Let's see. I'm just complaining, so I'm going to stop complaining and enjoy my ride. Go check out that video right about there. And that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. And it's 89 degrees. Later.